This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the exact spot where the floor moves, press around to feel flex and listen for creaks. Once found, clear a 2-meter work zone and remove trim only where needed. This gives you access and prevents damage. Make sure to set tools close at hand: pry bar, drill, wood glue, and shims. You need a flashlight to inspect joists under the floor. Early inspection saves rework and shows whether to shim or screw down first. You now address the structure. From below, look for gaps or rot and replace any bad blocks. Solid framing is essential. Then, from above, drive 2-inch screws into the subfloor every 6 to 8 inches along the joist line. This pulls the deck tight and kills movement. If you see small gaps or sagging, apply wood glue to the seam and tap in tapered shims between joist and subfloor. Once cured, trim shims flush so they don't bind flooring. You finish by reinstalling trim and testing the fix. Walk slowly, listening and feeling for motion. If a squeak or bounce remains, pinpoint it and either add a metal bridge plate or sister a new joist alongside the weak one for long-term strength. Make sure glue and any adhesives cure for 24 hours before placing heavy furniture back. If new movement appears, recheck fastener pattern and shims. Tighten or replace as needed to lock everything solid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.